Struggling to choose a payment processor with real experience? Many beginners end up with newer platforms that don't have the track record to back them up. Here's a quick way to check for proven experience. Just search for the longest running credit card processors and skim through their history. This shows you which companies have been around long enough to build credibility. But the results don't always tell you which one is best for keeping accounts stable as your business grows. That's where EasyPay Direct stands out. With over 20 years of experience, they have built a platform designed to keep businesses stable. You get hosted checkout to quickly create checkout links or landing pages, plus mobile payments so you can process transactions on the go. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out today. You will also have white glove service, giving you a dedicated contact who knows your account and can help directly. If you want a processor with 20 plus years of proven expertise, EasyPay Direct makes it simple. Fill out their quick sign up form, and you will be set up with a stable merchant account backed by experience. The link's in the description to get started.